Welcome to this Microsoft screencast about the analysis features of VDCF, Virtual Datacenter Cloud Framework. There are other videos available about getting started, logical domains deployment, efficient virtualization and more on the Microsoft YouTube channel. Microsoft is in business since the year 2000. Our product VDCF is mature and in production use since 2006. VDCF is used to deploy, manage, monitor, and secure virtualized Solaris environments using LDoms and Solaris zones. VDCF is a tool used by Solaris administrators to install, configure, manage, patch, monitor, and secure Oracle Solaris. It supports bare metal, LDoms, and Solaris zones. You use the same tool for Solaris 10 and 11 on both platforms Spark and x86. System configurations and real-time information from the servers are stored in the central VDCF repository. Using the VDCF hardware monitor command, you can check the hardware state of your servers, which firmware level the servers have, and when the latest update was installed is displayed by the console show command. With various flags, you can limit the list of your systems. For example, control domains, which run the latest Solaris 11.4 release, or your guest domains, which are running on the older Solaris 11.3 release. Operating System Monitor shows the issues found by the VDCF monitoring component. Are there any ZPOOLS with more than 90% usage? If you upgrade from Solaris 11.3 to 11.4, you need to migrate Apache 2.2 to 2.4. It's easy to list all the old Apache 2.2 running instances using osmon show SMF. Are there even old Java 6 installations around? You find them using the VDCF package admin tool. An overview of the free resources available on the servers is presented using the resource monitoring command. You find more information as well as the whole documentation about VDCF on our product homepage. For users of the VDCF free edition, we provide help through an open user forum, whereas for customers buying a software license, our technical support is included. Don't hesitate to contact us if you're interested in a proof of concept. Thank you for watching this short screencast about VDCF's analysis features.